So, welcome back to this session of the joint venture. So, right here we are ready to demonstrate the net present value by the investor type and the entire project. So, as we can see, we are using a discount rate of 4.65% as this is industry standard. We know that the cost of capital for projects like this in the United States, it's between 4.2% and 5%. So we have our discount rate within this range. So this is what we use to estimate the interest that was paid to the bond investors. So we're just going to use the same thing here to discount the cash flows heavily back to today's present value. So we are discounting the cash flows from 2049 onto the commercial operation date. So that's exactly what we're trying to do here. So now we will simulate this by using the XNPV formula, XNPV. And then we assign the cash flows, including the initial investment amount for the limited partners. But before we do that, we have to assign the discount rate first, which we're going to be discounted at. And then we assign the cash flows attributed to the limited partners. We reference all of those cash flows, and then the discount rate, we assign the date, including the commercial operation date. We go right to the top of this joint venture schedule. We assign all of the dates, including the initial date. Assign all of that, but we'll reference that with F because we want to paste that formula down. We press enter. We can copy that formula, Alt ESF, and we paste as formulas. As you can see, for the GPs, the net present value is roughly $400,000. This is the future cash flows that was discounted heavily back into the commercial operation date. And also for the project net present value is roughly $2.4 million. This is the future cash flows that were discounted heavily back into the commercial operation date. And also we have the LPs with a net present value of approximately $2 million. The future cash flows of these LPs were discounted from 2049 heavily back to this commercial operation date. So the value of those future cash flows is worth approximately $2 million today for the limited partners, and the values of those future cash flows is worth approximately $400,000 today for the GPs, and the values for those future cash flows today is worth approximately $2.4 million for the entire project. So that's exactly what we are seeing here. So in the next video, we will be demonstrating the returns, the disproportionate returns for the LPs. We'll be demonstrating how it diminishes over time as a result of that hurdle rate that was reached. So we'll be demonstrating that in the next video in some charts. So hopefully I see you in the next video for that.